It can be tricky to know what you need to take off at airport security before walking through the body scanner. Simple mistakes could set the alarm off, which is stressful and can result in a time-consuming manual search. In today's video, you will learn exactly what you need to remove to pass through the airport security checkpoint without setting off any alarms. Let's start with your shoes. You may or may not be required to take off your shoes, so consider scoping out passengers ahead of you and see if they are placing their shoes in the TSA bin. It's going to differ by city, country, and sometimes even by airport. And even if you are not required to remove your shoes, if they do have things like steel toes, buckles, or metal parts, you may want to take them off to prevent them from setting the alarm off when you walk through the scanner. Apart from large pieces of jewelry and watches, including things like Fitbits and Apple Watches, you can usually keep minimal jewelry pieces on you. I have gone through the body scanner at the airport hundreds of times and have never had to take off my ring or my necklace or my earrings. They are quite minimal and made of a combination of gold, silver, and metal. Mostly metal. I have had larger metal bobby pins and clips in my hair which have set the alarm off. I was in the Air Cadets for quite some time, and the 20 metal bobby pins that secure a tight bun is definitely not airport friendly. Don't forget to leave your own funny or informative airport security experiences down in the comments. I am always learning when I read the comments, and I know other travelers appreciate the insights as well. Next up, we have belts, especially those with large metal buckets that are likely going to trigger the body scanner alarm. I like to wear pants with a stretchy waistband and no belts or metal buttons. If you do decide to wear a belt for the airplane, perhaps pair it with a pair of pants that will stay up if the belt needs to be removed during the security screening. Other accessories like belts that you should be prepared to remove include caps, hats, and glasses. Any outerwear, including your jacket or even just a sweater, also often needs to be taken off and placed into the bin. Knowing that you will likely need to take off your outer layer should also prompt you to plan ahead so that you are comfortable in whatever the heck you are wearing underneath it as you go through the security process. I also like to put my valuables, like AirPods and my phone, in the pocket of my jacket and then take my jacket off and place it all kept together into the bin. This keeps my items concealed and packaged together while also ensuring that I do not accidentally carry them on me while I walk through the body scanner, because these devices are certainly going to trigger the alarm. Also, always notify a TSA agent before walking through the body scanner if you have any internal medical devices and implants, such as an artificial knee or hip or a pacemaker. I imagine it could be quite annoying to have to notify a TSA agent every time before you go through the scanner if you do have one of these devices. But trust me, it's going to make it much easier as they will expedite the process for you and ensure that everything is done safely. And here is a big one that is going to apply to all passengers. Empty your pockets. Triple check all of your pockets. Small belongings, whether they are metal or not, like lip balm, coins, bills, and even tissue, can set the body scanner alarm off. You do not want to be the passenger that is holding up the security line while a TSA officer has you fish out a candy wrapper from your pocket. Been there, done that, not fun. Remember that each airport may have slightly different rules. Always listen to agent instructions, keep an eye out for signs with rules posted, and then watch what those ahead of you are doing to prepare yourself for your turn. I have a few other videos with common mistakes to avoid at the TSA checkpoint that you might find helpful, linked down in the description for you to watch next. My name's Megan, and I share weekly travel tips on this channel, and I would love to see you subscribe to join us back here for more next week. Until then, safe travels. Bye.